Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery, then unscrew the shell with a T8 or T6 Torx. Once open, peel back the grip tabs and separate halves carefully. You don't want to stress the ribbon cable. Look directly at the left stick module. Debris, cracked springs, or a bent potentiometer are common causes. If you see dirt or a loose connector, you'll clean and reseat it next. Make sure to keep screws in order so reassembly is straightforward. You'll now clean the joystick internals. Blow compressed air into the sensor gaps and dab a cotton swab with 90% plus isopropyl to remove grime. Once clean, inspect the little metal spring and the plastic gate. If they're bent, gently realign or swap from a donor module. If the potentiometer shows uneven resistance, consider replacing the module. After that, reconnect the ribbon cable and wiggle the stick to test range and centering. This confirms the repair before you reassemble the shell. You reattach the shell halves, ensuring the ribbon lays flat and the triggers align, then reinstall screws in their original order. Do not over-tighten. Once closed, insert the battery and pair the controller. Test by moving the stick through full ranges and run a dead zone calibration in settings. This reveals any residual drift. If problems remain, recalibrate or replace the stick module entirely. If drift persists after replacement, check the mainboard connector and firmware. Those are the last places to inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.